And just like that, rocks are gone.
Yep.
I think there's one more spot up here. I got so much respect for fuckers who will risk breaking their ankles running out of here. Evelyn would love it. She might see this video and want to come next time and run it. But she's so good on a mountain bike. I'm gonna try to convince her to get a babysitter. Ashley doesn't ride, does she? Oh, okay. Yeah, fuck that. I don't like losing my breath where I can drown.
Yeah, right?
Could you have done this a month ago?
No way.
Yeah, I see you making the bike work. You're going over some rocks. Just fucking doing it. Oh, this is awesome. I'm definitely downshift.